Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's also Tech, and today in this video you will find out some advantages of resetting Windows and areas to reset the Windows. Here we go. The advantages of resetting Windows 11 are your PC improves system performance, fixes system issues and errors, removes unwanted programs, gives a fresh start, restore default settings, optional file preservation, and no need for USB or disks to boot off. You can download in local install or cloud download, right? Hence you can reset your Windows 11. How can you do that? Very easy. Before resetting your Windows, you must keep your file backup. If you have external hard drive, then just copy all the backup from the computer, right? So after, first what I have to do is press Win+I from the keyboard to go to the setting, Win+I, and here, then after you have to go to the system recovery option, and here go to system recovery option, scroll down. Here you can find a recovery tab, just click here. Then after here you can find the reset PC, reset this PC, so reset this PC. Then after it asks you keep my files or remove everything. When you choose keep my files, then after it removes apps and setting but keeps your personal files. If you choose remove everything, then after this will remove all files, apps and setting. This is the factory reset. I choose here keep my files. Then after you will ask here local reinstall Windows from this device or cloud download. You can choose both. You can choose either cloud or local install. Then after just click here, then after click the next option, then after follow the instructions, then you reset will begin. Then after it may take about 30 to 2 hours. It depends on your laptop processor, RX, SSD, NVMe like this, and your PC may be restarted several times. Hence you can reset your PC very easily. As Windows 10 and 11 friend. Guys, if this video really helped you to reset your computer, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.